Everyone is craving Pinoy-style spaghetti sa office, kaya nagluto ako, and this is how I made it. Sisimulan natin yung ating special na Pinoy spaghetti today. Hindi to yung 500 pesos spaghetti dahil ang dami nating sahog. So, gigisa muna natin yung ating hotdog. Yan, no? Gigisa. And, gagamitin natin dito half, ihahalo natin, the rest, iiwan natin for garnish. So, gisa muna natin to. Tatabi natin yung ating hot dogs. So, later on, ibabalik natin yung kalahati. Yan. Pero gisado na siya. And ready to garnish na yung other half. Para maging malinamnam yung ating spaghetti, we are using butter. So, we are cooking 2 kilos of spaghetti noodles. So, ito siya, yung sauce pang 2 kilo. So, butter yung ating base, pwede ding margarine. And now, we will add our minced onions. So, ito, we are building flavor. So much flavor. Add our garlic. Ito yung spaghetti na maraming arte. No? And now, I'm using a combination of ground beef. Ito, ground beef. Yan. And ground pork. So, kalahating kilo na ground beef and kalahating kilo na ground pork. So, 2 kilos of noodles. So, ating karne, halong pork and beef. And 1 kilo na karne for 2 kilos of noodles. So, yung mangyayari sa atin, parang kalahating kilo na karne sa kada kilo ng noodles. Yan. Yan. Ang ating giniling para may flavor siya. A little salt. Yan. And para maging malinamnam yung ating meat, we are also adding a pack of Maggi Magic Sarap. No? So, we will be adding our Maggi in 2 batches. No? So, ito, for the meat, para maging malasa yung ating meat. Gisa natin. And now, we will add our other vegetables and ang ating red bell peppers. No? This will add sweetness, pero maganda din siyang way para kumain ng vegetables yung anak nyo. So, gisa natin. Then, I am adding a bit of soy sauce just for color sa ating meat. No? To add richness to our Pinoy spaghetti. Ito, pangpasarap ng sauce. We are adding 1 can, malaking lata na liver spread. No? Kung wala kang liver spread, pwede din mag-gisa ka ng atay ng manok at i-blender mo. Pwede din dito. So, we will add that liver spread to our recipe today. And ngayon, lalagay na natin ating Pinoy style spaghetti sauce. Ito, pang 2 kilo talaga tong ating spaghetti sauce. Pero we are adding more to this. Mix, 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 mix. And we are adding also banana ketchup. Masarap tong sauce natin. Very meaty, savory, tamang balance ng may tamis, may konting bite. Ito, manamis-namis, pero balance. Hindi overwhelming yung tamis. Para walang sayang, lalagyan natin ng tubig yung ating bote to get all the residue. Diba? Ganda na ng kulay, oh. At habang inaantay kong kumulo yung ating sauce, mag-grate ako ng cheese. No? So, isang cheese para dito at isang cheese para sa topping. And now, we will slowly add our cheese. And meron pa tayong natirang cheese later para sa ating topping. Mix, mix, mix. And to make it creamier and more delicious and even richer, lalagyan natin ng evaporated milk. It will lighten the color, pero I promise you, ang sarap nito. Ito na yata yung recipe ng spaghetti na matagal mo nang hinahanap. Perfect balance of flavors talaga to. And eto siya, very important to let it simmer a little while hanggang lumambot yung ating vegetables and all the flavors come together. Nakita nyo yung ating cheese, halos na tunaw na. Yan. And now, for our final seasoning, we will add patis. No? A little bit of patis. Para balance yung flavor, patis. And ito, black pepper. Yung gamit ko dito, freshly cracked black pepper para mabango. There's that very nice aroma of the pepper. No? Yan. So, ito na yung magbibigay ng anghang ng konti, ang ating black pepper. And, ilalagay na rin natin yung ating half of our hot dogs. No? The rest, iwan natin for our garnish. Let it cook a little while. Huwag nating madaliin para yung flavors natin talaga mag-unite, magkaisa, at talagang magiging super linamnam at balanced. No? Yan mo, rich na rich yan. No? To know if it's ready, we will taste ang ating spaghetti. Yung hindi masyadong matamis, yung sweetness niya galing sa banana ketchup, hindi tayo nag-add ng sugar para hindi siya nakakaumay. It's a winner. In a few minutes, ready na nating ihalo yung ating sauce with our noodles. And my final touch, ang aking secret ingredient para sa ating special Pinoy style spaghetti. I will add this. It is just a touch of vinegar. At may suka. But trust me, yung acidity niya will brighten all the flavors at magiging super masarap yung ating spaghetti. So, just let that simmer with the vinegar and hindi siya masyadong maging panisin. Yan. Ito na talaga ang ultimate Pinoy spaghetti recipe that you might fall in love with. And malapit na maluto yung ating sauce. And now, nagpaluto na ako ng aking pasta. Come in pasta. And ang ating sauce din, babawasan natin para pang topping din natin. No? So, we will get a bit of our sauce for our topping. And, ito. Ready? Kulang pa to sa luto, ha? This is still like undercooked for a minute. Oops. Now, it's time to mix our spaghetti. So, ang ating noodles will become fully cooked in our sauce. Look at that, oh. Properly coated. May pang topping pa tayo, oh. Happy dito sa opisina today, ah. No? Merry Christmas. Diba? Pero over budget tayo. But this is really a very good spaghetti recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Your kids will love it. And pwede mo na siyang i-master with our secret ingredients. Yan. And this is done. Ito na siya. Lilipat pa ba natin? Hindi na natin nililipat kasi kakain na tayo dito sa office. Add the sauce on top. Yan. Then, grate our cheese. And arrange our hot dogs over our spaghetti. Now, ready to serve special Pinoy style spaghetti for the holidays. I'm sure magugustuhan to. Pero papatingin natin dito sa office kung eto ba yung pinakamasarap nila natikman na spaghetti in their lives. And there you go. And tatawagin na natin yung mga tao sa office. Guys, the spaghetti is ready. Pero titingnan ko muna. It's perfect and it's so delicious. Look at that. Ganda ng kulay, di ba? Let me taste. Ang init! Mapapa-happy birthday ka at Merry Christmas pag nakain mo tong spaghetti natin today. Oh, hindi na kain na tayo, guys! It's party time! Soya boys! Come on! Sweet, savory, unmistakably Filipino Pinoy spaghetti is a Christmas classic. Easy to make in big batches and perfect for sharing, especially when everyone's coming over. It's comforting, nostalgic, and always a crowd pleaser. You're definitely Pasko ready with this recipe. Ano, happy ba?
Yes, yes.
Diba? Perfect talaga itong ating spaghetti. At ito ang ating special Pinoy spaghetti, Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.